Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Okay, so we're comparing these two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, huh? The Philips 3200 with LatteGo and the DeLonghi Eletta. Both look pretty fancy.
Yeah, definitely. Right off the bat, the Philips is available right now, whereas the DeLonghi is currently unavailable. That's a big factor for some people.
True. What about the coffee they make? The Philips boasts 5 coffee options, including Cappuccino, and uses its LatteGo system for silky milk froth. It also has a 12-step grinder adjustment.
The DeLonghi focuses on cappuccino, latte macchiato, and other milk drinks with its LatteCrema system. It also has a 13-setting adjustable grinder. So both have adjustable grinders, but the DeLonghi seems more geared towards milk-based drinks.
Good point. Size-wise, the Philips is 15 DX 10 inches WX 17H and weighs 21.6 pounds. The DeLonghi is a bit bigger at 14.16 DX 10.2 WX 18.36H and heavier at 24.2 pounds. So the Philips is a bit more compact.
And the DeLonghi has a 15 bars pump pressure, which is pretty standard for espresso machines. I didn't see the pump pressure listed for the Philips.
Oh, right. The DeLonghi also mentions it can brew 2 cups simultaneously, which is handy for couples or when you have guests. Does the Philips do that?
The Philips description mentions delivering the perfect in-cup result, so it's unclear if it can do 2 at once. Cleaning is important too.
Absolutely. The DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs and dishwasher-safe parts. What about the Philips?
The Philips doesn't explicitly say dishwasher safe, but it's described as simple to clean. That might mean hand wash only, which could be a deal breaker for some.
Okay, so to summarize, the Philips 3200 is available, a bit smaller, and makes 5 coffee types. But the DeLonghi Eletta, when available, focuses on milk drinks, brews 2 cups at once, and has dishwasher-safe parts. And both are renewed, so there's that Amazon guarantee. It really depends on your priorities.
Exactly. It's about weighing the features against your coffee preferences and cleaning habits.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.